Experience comfort and convenience at Campanile L'Isle, Bourgoin Jallieu. Welcome to Campanile L'Isle, Bourgoin Jallieu, a charming 3-star hotel nestled in the picturesque town of L'Isle, France. With its prime location and excellent amenities, this hotel offers a comfortable and convenient stay for both leisure and business travelers. As you step into Campanile L'Isle, Bourgoin Jallieu, you will be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The hotel's check-in time starts from 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start your stay at your own pace. The friendly and professional staff will be readily available to assist you with any queries or requests you may have, ensuring a seamless check-in process. At Campanile L'Isle, Bourgoin Jallieu, we understand the importance of family travel. That's why we have a child policy in place that allows children between the ages of 6 to 10 to stay free of charge. We believe in creating a welcoming environment for families, and our spacious rooms and family-friendly amenities cater to the needs of both adults and children. Unwind and socialize at Campanile L'Isle, Bourgoin Jallieu's entertainment facilities at Campanile L'Isle, Bourgoin Jallieu. Guests can enjoy a range of entertainment facilities that are perfect for unwinding and socializing. The hotel features a vibrant bar where guests can relax and indulge in their favorite drinks. Whether it's a refreshing cocktail or a glass of fine wine, the bar offers a cozy atmosphere to unwind after a long day of exploring the beautiful surroundings of L'Isle. Additionally, Campanile L'Isle, Bourgoin Jallieu offers a shared lounge/TV area where guests can gather and enjoy their favorite shows or sports events. The comfortable seating and large TV screen create the perfect setting for a casual get-together or relaxing evening. Whether you're catching up on the latest news, watching a thrilling sports match, or simply enjoying a movie night with friends, the shared lounge/TV area provides a welcoming space for entertainment and socializing.